Time is precious. Let's jump in. Steps on your screen. In the first step, open settings, then select display and brightness. Later, tap auto lock. After that, pick never. In the next step, open settings. Now, navigate to battery. Now, turn off low power mode. In the next step, open settings. After that, select accessibility. After that, tap touch. After that, turn on tap to wake. In the next step, open settings. Now, select Face ID and passcode. After that, enter your passcode. Then turn off attention aware features. In the next step, open settings. Next, select display and brightness. Next, tap night shift. Then disable scheduled mode. You are good to go.